On the one hand, we present you the elements of the Grigri Watches Gentleman's Watchmaker Kit. The kit consists of the dial, which is the face of your watch. You also have the option on the website www.grigriwatches.com to personalize your dial. The Move-On spacer ring prevent movement from moving inside the watch case. It is important to take care, as indicated on the small paper here, to remove the screw and tabs, because these must be unscrewed before inserting the spacer ring. Then you have the watch hands. Like the dial, you also have the option on the website to personalize your hand. The date wheel spacer, which prevent the date wheel from touching the back of the dial. The Move-On. 4. The Gentleman's Watchmaker Kit. You have the choice between an automatic watch movement analog Miyota 821A with date at 6 o'clock, or a quartz version with a Miyota 2315 with date at 6 o'clock. Finally, you have the case, which is the container that protects the watch movement. This one is transparent on the back, which allows you to see the Move-On functioning. The crown is a direct connection to the movement inside a wristwatch and is located at 3 o'clock. On the other hand, we present you the watchmaker basic tools that we recommended. First, you have a Rodico, which is included in your Gentleman's Watchmaker Kit. Then, for the hand installation, you'll need a hand installation tool. You'll also need professional tweezers and a screwdriver set. You can find every recommend tools links in the description box below. Thank you for watching.